I'm Kurt Kinder. I'm the Vice President of Maintenance and Engineering at Alaska Airlines here in Seattle. Yeah, to the airline as a whole, maintenance really is the backbone to this airline. And there is no pulling off onto a cloud if your engine has a problem. We have the processes and procedures, to make sure that we're safe every time. Every day, 77,000 people step onto our airplanes. They don't know our names, they don't know our faces, but you know what? They trust that we've done our job and that they're going to be safe. Yeah, I am in aircraft maintenance, and this is an airline, so a typical day is different every day. Where I have 1,300 people that work on my team, I'll say 750 of those work at night while most of us are sleeping. And so I get up in the morning, I check and see how the team did overnight to get the airplane, the fleet ready to go. Well, I showed up in this hangar 30 years ago with the aspirations of being an aircraft mechanic. At that moment, they decided to hire me as a tail washer, but I was more than happy to take that job and scrub the tails clean on these airplanes out here every night. And eventually I worked my way into a mechanic job, learning so much about airplanes, and I just love that part of my career because every night I learned something more. Aviation has been kind of in my blood, so is maintenance. It's been in my blood all my life. And my uncle owned an airplane. He lived in the state of Alaska. My dad was a contractor in the state of Alaska, so I did a lot of trips back and forth to the airport with my mom, watching him come and go. It's a great time to get into aviation. This isn't the grease monkey days. These aircraft, the technology of these aircraft is phenomenal, and you can do, most of the troubleshooting, from an iPad or right from a, flight deck display. It's still challenging to the brain, and fun to work on. Go out to the airport, see what goes on. Catch that fever of aviation, and then find somebody that works for an airline, and I'll bet they would invite you to come in and spend a day. Go talk to a pilot. They're not actually going to let you fly with them, likely, but go talk to a pilot, see what excites them about their career. Flight attendants, customer service agents. Aviation is just full of things, and you never know where it ends. 'Cause like I said, I started here washing tails, and now I'm a vice president of maintenance and engineering. Go figure.